T-Mobile's eSIM error 505 signals an activation failure, preventing your device from connecting to the network. This happens when your phone can't authenticate with T-Mobile's servers during eSIM setup or when scanning the QR code. Key reasons include outdated carrier settings, issues with the QR code itself, or temporary network problems. Don't panic, it's often fixable. First, ensure your device is eSIM compatible and unlocked. Then restart your phone. If that doesn't work, try these steps. Go to your phone settings to ensure that there is no VPN running that could cause issues. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and enable cellular data if possible. Try again scanning the QR code. If basic troubleshooting fails, focus on carrier updates. Go to Settings, then General, and check the About section for any carrier update. Install any available updates, as these often contain fixes for eSIM activation issues. Confirm that your QR code hasn't expired, as they're typically valid for 48 to 72 hours. If you still face error 505, contact T-Mobile support directly using the app or their website. Explain the steps you've already taken. T-Mobile's support team can remotely reset your eSIM profile or provide a new QR code. Remember, intermittent outages can trigger this issue, so check T-Mobile's website or social media for any reported network issues in your area.